दिसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. मंगळारा पिसुर्ल्या आयडीसीत एका फॅक्टरीत जी रेड मारिल्ली थंय 4 कोटीचे केटामाइन ड्रग्स जप्त केल्ले. ह्या बेकायदेशीर कार्याचेर कडक कारवाय जातली म्हण म्हायती आमदार ग्लॅन टिकलोन दिल्या. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
एक्चुअली हे आमचे न्यूज आमकां गोवन आयले थ्रू मिडिया and एकदम it was a very shocking news to know that such activities, illegal activities have been carrying out in this Pisule with this particular so-called and now definitely with all this intelligence reading the place and catching the so-called ketamine, will definitely initiate a show cause notice to him and make all attempts to take back the property, because this property was bought, it was taken on auction from a bank in 2011. तेन्ना ताणें घेतलेले and ते घेतलेले for manufacturing of grills. For manufacturing of grills म्हणून घेतलेले. पूण the gentleman, when I asked, when I joined here, and I've got all the reports from all the estates as to which vacant plots are there, and which factories are closed. आमी ताजी सगळे आमी ते इन्फॉर्मेशन घेतलेलें आसा आनी त्या खातीर आय गिवन सनी इंस्ट्रक्शन टू माय MD that he should issue them a show cause notice and repossess, which is not in use, okay, because finally land is very scarce and we are doing everything possible to get in more land. Also acquisition is very tough, but this particular incident that घडला पळय तें हें बरोबर न्हू आनी डेफिनेटली आमी ताका show cause notice issue करतले and will repossess the plot.
त्यांनी इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिव्ह एजन्सीक स्टेटमेंट दिला आपली सबलीज केल्ली म्हणून त्याची
We have no records as to a sublease is over here. We have absolutely no records over here, which I just found out in my offices. In fact, I've asked for the file. पण आमकां रेकॉर्ड काय मेळना तांच्यांनी सबलीज केला म्हणून. ताणें आतां अनऑफिशियल आमकां खबर ना, ऑफिशियली आमकां काय कळूं ना सबलीज आमच्या
आयडीसी लँड परत घेतली.
घेतलेच परत आमी, बिकॉज इट वॉज गेन फॉर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, नॉट फॉर एनी अदर ॲक्टिविटीज, स्पेशली इलिगल ॲक्टिविटीज.